yeah, I got the wood. It's time to build a ramp. Alright, here is my ramp all built. I had a friend build this for me today for the Revo. I just wanted to show it real quick. This is it. Went real simple. The guy's a carpenter, so it's pretty legit. It's nothing too crazy, but you can see my angle there. It launches you pretty nice. I already broke my truck. I only hit it a couple of times. The body mount brace thing broke off the back. I'll show that on the truck, but I'm just dropping this off someplace for now. I don't have room at my house, so I'm just showing this off. All in all, I spent like $72 between a piece of plywood and these screws here. I got one 4x8 piece of plywood, and really all you need is 3 2x4s to make it happen. So you can see I got them braced all underneath there, so it's nice and strong. The only thing is this little bit happened here, but I'm gonna fix that up with something, and then I'm gonna stain it so it lasts long. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet little booter. Can't wait to hit it some more. I already ordered the part I need for the Revo, so that'll be coming in. I was gonna order some plastic ramps from Ramp Depot, but to get 2 of them about this width would have been like $120. I got all this wood and some screws. I didn't even need this box of screws. Plus I still have a whole nother sheet, not a sheet, but still have a whole bunch of wood left. I could build a whole nother ramp if I wanted to, which I might build another one to add on to this one so it comes out a little bit, as long as it fits in the back of my truck. Another foot and a half would be real nice. It's not too bad, but once I get some experience lining the truck up on it, we'll see if I want to make it wider. But I might sand some of these edges down and stuff like that just to touch it up, but I'll figure that all out after. I just want to show this off real quick. I'm going to show the little time lapse of us building it. But yeah, so this thing's going to be in action soon. So if you want to see some jumps, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel, because it's going to be going down. Okay, so here's the part that's broken on the truck. This goes on here. So this piece cracked here. That goes over from holding my pins and my A-arms here. And then the aluminum support here, my new chassis brace bent. So when this goes flat, it sticks up a little too high. So I'm just going to have to bend that back down a little bit. But I mean, I didn't really even air it out when I was testing the jump, so I'm not really sure what the hell happened. Definitely a little disappointed, because this thing just kind of keeps breaking stuff. But I ordered a new one of these, so it'll be in, and I'll get this thing going again. And yeah, we'll have to see what happens. But a little disappointing, but at least it's just plastic parts that are breaking. So we'll get it up and running, and I will definitely be using that ramp soon.